Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You act now, grab the emergency window breaker and remove its safety cap so the tip is exposed. Make sure everyone is responsive and release seatbelts. Movement helps get a good angle. You should target a corner or edge of the tempered side window because stress concentration makes it easier to shatter. Once positioned, plant your feet, brace your arm, and prepare a single decisive strike. This step starts the escape. You want one strong, controlled hit rather than many weak attempts. You need steady mechanics. Grip the breaker like a hammer with your wrist firm and use your elbow to drive the motion for more force. Aim for a small, sharp contact point at the window corner or seam because tempered glass will fragment when tension is introduced there. Once the glass fractures, don't panic. Make 1 or 2 follow-up taps if needed. Then glide a gloved hand or cloth across the inside to knock loose shards away, so you can create a large enough opening to exit safely. You finish by clearing remaining shards outward and enlarging the opening just enough to slide out feet first to avoid cuts. Once outside, move everyone a safe distance away, check for injuries, and call emergency services immediately for assistance and medical care. Make sure to account for all passengers and keep warm if needed. If the breaker fails, try the vehicle's metal headrest prongs or a heavy pointy object on the same corner. These alternatives work because they
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.